Hey Roblox player, welcome to the channel. Today I will show you how to fix the dreaded error code 403 on Roblox for Android users. This is a common error, but don't worry. We have got some simple and easy solutions to get you back to gaming in no time. First up, clearing the app cache and data can often fix the problem. Head to your phone settings, scroll down to apps, then App Management, and find Roblox in the list. Now tap on Storage. Here you will see two options, Clear Cache and Clear Data. First, click on Clear Cache. This removes temporary files that could be causing the issue. Don't worry clearing the cache until it any of your game progress. Step 2. Clear data if necessary. If clearing the cache didn't work, you can also try clearing data, but remember clearing data will reset your settings in the Roblox app. Step 2. Clear data if necessary. If clearing the cache didn't work, you can also try clearing data, but remember clearing data will reset your settings in the Roblox app. Click Clear Data and confirm. You will need to log back in afterward, so make sure you know your username and password. Step 3. Update Roblox app. Make sure your Roblox app is up to date. Sometimes outdated versions can cause this error. Open the Google Play Store, search for Roblox, and if you see an update button, tap on it to install the latest version. Step 4. Restart your device. If you have tried all the above steps and you are still seeing error code 403, go ahead and restart your device. Sometimes a simple reboot is all you need to refresh everything and fix any glitches. Step 5. Reinstall Roblox. As a last resort, you can uninstall and reinstall Roblox. Uninstall the app and then reinstall it from the Google Play Store. This can resolve any deep-seated app issues. And that's it, you should be able to play Roblox without seeing error code 403 anymore. If this video helped you out, don't forget to leave a like and subscribe for more quick tutorials.